Vlookup function is used to automatically look up a matching value given a lookup value. The letter V in Vlookup is in reference to vertical lookup. If you want to conduct a horizontal lookup, you will be using HLOOKUP function. But since in most cases, variables in a database are arranged vertically in columns, and therefore Vlookup is used more extensively than HLOOKUP function. In this case, we want to look up what is the matching income tax rate for $10,000 in income. So based on this hypothetical income tax table here, the first column is different levels of income assorted in ascending order. The second column is tax rate. The way that this income tax table is arranged, if you earn less than $8,000 per year, then you pay 0% in income tax. But if you earn a minimum of 8,000 or above, but less than 14,000, you pay 15% income tax. But if you earn a minimum of 14,000 or above, but less than 25,000, you pay a marginal tax rate of 25%. But if you earn annual income of a minimum of $25,000 or more, then you pay 38%. In this case, we earn $10,000, which falls between 8,000 and 14,000, and therefore our marginal tax rate should be 15%. Now we can use Vlookup to look up this value. The first argument is the lookup value. In this case, should be 10,000. And the table array is in reference to the database you're going to look up from. And the column index number is where the tax rate column is saved. In this case, should be 2. Now, the fourth argument is the range lookup. So in reference to two different methods, you're going to use Vlookup. You can either pick approximate matching, which is the default setting for Vlookup, or you can manually set this value to be 0, which will be the same as exact matching. If that's the case, you have to make sure that this lookup value is a value that exists in this database. If this $10,000 does not exist in the lookup column in the database, then the exact matching cannot render appropriate answer to this Vlookup. Since the default setting is approximate matching, then if we only include 3 arguments instead of 4, the answer is going to render the result from the approximate matching. In this case, it's 15%. But there's one thing you need to pay attention to before you can use approximate matching. That is, your lookup column in the database need to be sorted in ascending order when you're using approximate matching. Because if they're not, then the lookup value for based on approximate matching is likely to be wrong.